Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for an Amazon Luna account. First, open your web browser and go to luna.amazon.com, or you can simply search for Amazon Luna in your search engine and click on the official website. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct Amazon Luna page. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and find the Sign In button. Click on it to continue to the login page. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your email address and password and sign in. If you do not have an account yet, choose the option to create a new Amazon account. Follow the instructions on the screen to enter your name, email, and password. Then complete the verification steps. After signing in, you will be taken back to the Amazon Luna homepage. Next, you need to choose a subscription plan. Go through the menu and look for the available options such as Luna Plus or other supported plans. You may also have the option to connect a Ubisoft Plus subscription if you already have one. Select the plan that fits your needs and proceed to the checkout page. Confirm your payment method and complete the subscription process. Once your subscription is active, you can start playing games immediately. Thanks for watching.